This was sent for me to try, and we have a finicky cat who's not who, let's face it, there's no brushing his teeth. So I'm very excited. This is like a dental treat that works. It's meant to stick to the gums so it stays working. And it's catnip flavored. Okay, so this pulls off. You twist up like you would on your deodorant. Look at that. And they can lick it right off. Let's go try it. It doesn't have a smell, like very, very faint smell. No foul smell or anything. So let's see. One click. Parker has all of his claws and he's not afraid to use them. So brushing his teeth has never been an easy task. And this lickable treat, dental treat, is perfect. He was a little skittish or just, curious at first. But then, look at that. Loves it. One click every day will help keep his teeth nice, clean, and healthy, and keep his breath fresh. Win-win.
That's a good job.
Okay, that's good.